Hello friends, welcome back to another informative video. So in this video, we are going to see the complete basic information of RLC and PLC, and also we are going to see the differences between the RLC and PLC, why we are using the RLC and why we are using the PLC in the industries. Basic concept behind these two things are going to be discussed in this video. So I will request you all to watch this video till the end. And another thing is that if you are visiting this channel for the first time, then please do subscribe and share this video with your friends as much as possible. So let us start the video without wasting much time. So PLC and RLC both are used for automation in the industries because these two are used to run the industries automatically. So this is a big benefit of using the RLC and PLC. That means we don't have to do any manual work in the industries. So that's the big benefit of using RLC and PLC. So first of all, let's see what is RLC. RLC stands for Relay Logic Control, and it is a system or control system that is designed by using the relays are known as RLC. So RLC is used to run the industries automatically, but this is the old model of using the automation in the industries. But the problem is that it is a very complicated to design because the wires required to design are very huge. So that's the main problem behind the using of RLC in the industries. So to overcome this problem, we moved towards the PLC. So now let's see what is PLC. PLC stands for Programmable Logic Controller, and PLC panel is a special steel box that contains electrical components required to run a factory machine or process in a smooth way. That means here the automation takes place in a smooth way and the efficient way. So for automation industries, we prefer to use the PLC in place of RLC because RLC is very complicated to design, and that's the old model way of automation. So that's a big mistake, big problem in case of RLC. So that's why we're using the PLC for the automation in the industries. So this is all about the basic concept of PLC and RLC.